Okay, this is a video about place value. Okay, um, let's say you went in to get lunch at a restaurant. Okay, and you got a sandwich made of hummus and arugula. You got a glass of orange juice and a cup of coffee. Now your bill comes to $324, and you look in your pocket to pay the bill, and this is what you have in your pocket: $500. Okay, and you want to pay the bill, and you want to know how much money are you going to have left. Okay, and you want to pay the bill exactly. Now you can't do that with $500 bill with four $100 bills. What you have is a problem in math. You have $500 and the bill was $324. You have to take the $500 and subtract 324, and then that's how you'll see how much you have left. It's going to be this subtraction problem. Now, the way a subtraction problem is normally done is you take each digit and you subtract the digit below it. But there's a problem when the digit on the top is less than the one on the bottom, because you can't subtract it. That's where the borrowing comes in. You have to borrow from the digits next door. Here's a problem where the digit next door doesn't have any money. The digit next door has to borrow from the one over here. This is how it works. You start with $500. Every one of these five stands for $100, so that's 500. Okay? Now, in order to do this, you take a $100 bill, you bring it to the cashier, and you trade it in for 10 $10 bills. And you take that amount and you put it in the tens column. So now you have 10 of them. This is the tens column. This is the 100 column. Okay? Now, you still can't do the subtraction. So you have to take one of your $10 bills, you bring it to the cashier, and you get 10 $1 bills. Okay? Trust me, I counted them to make sure that they were exactly right. Okay? Those other monies go to the cashier. This is actually your $500. It's four $100 bills. It is now 9 $10 bills and 10 $1 bills. That's 490 and 10. That's 500. Now you can do the subtraction problem. To pay the $4 part of the bill, you just take 4 of the ones. This is how you're going to pay your bill. You pay it to the cashier. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Okay, make sure they don't stick together. Okay, that goes to the cashier. That's for the restaurant to pay your bill. Here you take 2 of the $10 bills to pay the $20 part. And you're going to have to pay 3 of your $100 bills to pay the $100 part. What you have left now is the subtraction. It's the answer to the subtraction problem. It's how much money you have left in your wallet after you paid the bill. And we'll see what it is. It's 100, okay? And then in the $10, I have to count them out here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's 7. Okay, I'm going to use my marker to record this. It was $1 $100 bill, 7 of the $10 bills. Okay, and now on the $1 bills, I'm going to count those. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. The amount of money I have left is 176. Okay, and we did it by borrowing over. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you do this without the money part. Okay, this is the way you get taught in school how to do it. Okay, you take the $500. Well, in this case, it doesn't even have to be dollars. And you're going to subtract 324. You put the minus sign. The way this works is You can't take away 4 from 0, so you borrow 1 from what's next door. The one's next door is empty, so it has to borrow from the 100s column, and that gives you 10 tens in the tens column, okay? That's how you borrow the 1 over, but it goes in, not onto it, but in the next place over. That's 10 of these. Now, this is where you're going to borrow to go into the next column. Now you can do the subtraction. 4 from 10 gives the 6. And 2 from the 9 gives the 7. And 3 from the 4 gives 1. So when you subtract or take away 324 from 500, you'll get 176. That's how much money you'll have left. Now, that's exactly the same. It's 176, okay? This is how you do it in school, okay? Without using the money. This is how you can do it with money, okay? Because money has place value. Every $100 bill is worth 100. Every $10 bill is worth 10, okay? Each one is worth 10 times more for every one of the bills of the one that's right next door, okay? And that's how you do place value at your restaurant, okay? Thank you. Bye.